Hello my unique queens, Quiana Unique here, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to transform this men's Sean John shirt into a dress. I got this shirt from Macy's around January for only $9 and some change, so $10, and it was originally $69, and I was like, this is a great deal. I am so excited, and I couldn't wait any longer to do a video for you guys on this shirt. So let's go ahead and get started. I chose one of my favorite dresses, and this was a dress for my birthday, I think 2 years ago. As a pattern, and this dress stretches just a little bit but not that much, so it was a perfect dress for this, so I was able to use it as a good pattern. I am still going to cut at least 1 inch to 1.5 inches for seam allowance, plus this shirt, the fabric is 100% cotton and it doesn't have any give. You know, it's a men's button-down shirt, so there's no stretching, elastic type of feel in it whatsoever. So just to make sure the curves fit into this dress that I'm going to make, I am making sure that my seam allowance is quite wide, so that way I can make adjustments if need be. I really love the fabric in this dress. It's super amazing, but as you can see, I'm simply tracing it. Now that I have my outline of my dress, I am going to now turn it inside out and pin along the lines of the dress, leaving the arm opening unpinned because you do not want to sew your arm opening up. So it's inside out, and I have it with the front side facing, and I'm simply going to pin along the lines here and do a straight stitch. Since it does not stretch, I do not have to do a zigzag stitch, but you can if you like. I will be doing a straight stitch, then a zigzag stitch to kind of finish up those edges, since I don't have a serger, which is normally what those two things put together kind of mimic a serger machine. And once you do that, like I said, you're going to sew along those lines. Our next step and last step, which makes this sewing project so easy, is to sew, finish up our armholes. So what you're going to need to do, and you can definitely use an iron for this to help get this into place, but you're going to fold down your fabric at least like 1/4 inch, and then you can fold it down again if you want nice crisp seam lines, so that way it's nice and folded and neat before you sew. But this fabric does not fray, and I honestly did not care. I just poked myself there, you guys. Be careful with the straight pins also. But yes, you're gonna need to nicely fold that down and iron it down and then pin it down, and then you're just gonna do a straight stitch here as well. And once you do both arms, you are done. This is the finished product of this beautiful dress that I will be wearing this spring and summer, quarantine or not. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. As always, be unique. See you next week.